Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ariela, and in today's video we're gonna do this look right here. If you want to know how I did this look, just keep watching. So first step, I'm gonna apply clown white all over my face. Now with the black eyeliner, I'm gonna draw here a heart. Now I'm gonna set my clown white with the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. My face is set. Then I'm gonna take the Morphe X Star palette, and then I'm gonna go inside this fuchsia shade right here. It's called Self-Made. And I'm gonna use a blending brush. This one is Morphe X Hill. Draw myself a pink nose tip. And then on my apple cheeks, I'm gonna draw fuchsia colored circles. Today I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics palette. This is the Take Me Back to Brazil. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go inside a yellow shade and apply it in my inner corner. Next to it, I'm gonna apply a fuchsia color. Okay, now let's draw an eyeliner. And then with the same black eyeliner, I'm gonna draw myself an eyebrow. I'm also gonna apply black on my waterline. Now I'm gonna draw inside this heart shape. I'm gonna go inside the Morphe X Star palette, and I'm gonna go inside the shade Nate, and then I'm gonna just apply the green right here. Then with the same brush, I'm gonna go in a light green color. Now I'm gonna go inside a Tiffany blue shade. Now I'm gonna go inside a dark blue shade. And this foot I'm gonna make black. On my eyelid, I'm gonna apply a highlighter. Then I'm gonna grab a black eyeliner and outline this heart. Then with the black eyeliner, this one is gel eyeliner from Revlon in a pencil. I'm gonna draw myself a clown mouth. Then I'm gonna take my Grimace palette and a black, and then I'm gonna fill out my mouth. Now my mouth needs to dry. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna take the Orgy palette from Jeffree Star. This palette has all those nude shades. And I'm gonna take a blending brush, and then I'm gonna go inside the shade Booby Trap. This shade right here. And then I'm just go outside of the clown white to give it a bit of the dimension so it looks like as if I'm wearing a mask. So, and to soften up the edges, I'm gonna go inside the shade right here. It's called Gender Fluid. Now I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession palette, and then I'm go inside this shade right here in the middle, and I'm gonna apply this shade to the center of my lips. And I'm also gonna use the shade as a highlighter. So I'm gonna apply my lashes and be right back. So I applied my eyelashes, and I also draw a heart around my nose because I didn't want you to have just a round nose. You can basically do any shape you like. Alright guys, and this is our finished look. I hope you guys like this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.